stillness of the night, beneath the starry sky, I write words that echo in my soul's chamber. The pen dances, the melody flows. Jesus, you're the guiding light on my journey. Oh, Jesus, my Savior, my light. On this sacred night I praise you. All things are in their rightful places. We eternalize this moment in love. The paper leaves become wings, carrying my prayers to the celestial throne. The guitars burst divine.